Ever wondered what slithers, fits in the palm of your hand and makes a great pet? Stay tuned to find out. Unraveling before you are 7 pet snakes that stay super small, perfect for those who fancy the extraordinary. We're starting off with the Kenyan sand boa, a docile creature with a maximum length of 2 feet. Next, the rosy boa, a friendly serpent that rarely exceeds 3 feet. The third surprise is the ringneck snake, a slender beauty that stays under 14 inches. Next up, we have the western hognose, a snake with a cute snub nose that maxes out at 2 feet. The fifth is the children's python. Don't let the name fool you, it's not for kids, but it does stay under 3 feet. Our sixth contender is the corn snake, a popular choice staying under 5 feet. And finally, the ribbon snake, a thin, feisty creature that remains under 2 feet long. Remember, while these serpents may be small, they need just as much care and love as their larger counterparts. Before you go, we're just a few away from reaching our goal of 500 subscribers. If you enjoyed this slithering journey, do consider subscribing. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your love for the extraordinary burning.